Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a neuron with pipe cleaners. These are the dendrites, this is the cell body, this is the axon, these are the axon terminals. You'll need 4 pipe cleaners, 2 cut in half and 2 full. So make one into a spiral. Now you're going to insert the end of the pipe cleaner into the spiral. Next, you're going to take 1/2 of a pipe cleaner and pass it through the middle. Now you're going to take another 1/2 and pass it through the other way. Now you're going to take the other full one and you're going to fold it across the X and twist it at the bottom. And now we're going to twist and you've got a neuron.